As we have already studied in plant kingdom so many features, that what are the basic features of plant, how does it appear, and what are the members of plant kingdom. Now today we are just going to have a quick recap of those content which we have studied, and one by one we will just see what are the basic features of plant kingdom and what are the divisions which come under the plant kingdom. So the very first division which we study under plant kingdom is this algae, or you can say Thallophyta. In this image you can see how does the algae is appearing. It is just growing on the surface, green colored structure. This all of you must have observed over the water or any soil or rock area where moisture is there. So it is representing a Thallophyta or the algae of that plant kingdom. It is the very first division. What is the basic feature of these algae? From just seeing this image, all of you can guess. It is flat thalloid structure, green in color. That is, it is going to bear that photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll. So one by one, let us see what are things which we find under this algae or Thallophyta group of plant kingdom. So if we is discussing this algae, these are basically aquatic, or these are found in those conditions where there is a moisture which helps it in that surviving, and it can grow in any of the moist surface, that is land. You can see here it can be growing on rocks, marine water, fresh water, or wood. It can grow anywhere. From the image itself it is clear that whenever moisture is there it will grow. We can see algae can be unicellular or it can be as large as kelps. Here we can see unicellular algae, that is Chlamydomonas. Then in this here algae are occurring in group. You can see volvox here. Then these are thread-like Spirogyra, whose slide also I will show you. Then you can see here these are just a bit plant-like seaweeds or kelps are there, which are found under sea. Now what is there? You can see here methods of reproduction. How does algae reproduces? So here in methods of reproduction we can see it can be vegetative, it can be asexual, or it can be sexual. If I'm talking about vegetative, what is vegetative? In vegetative, what happened? In such kind of reproduction, any part of algae will get breakdown and it will just result in the formation of the new organism. What is asexual reproduction? In asexual reproduction, resting structures like spores will form. When these spores will be released, at that time it will result in the formation of new organism. And the third one is here, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction here tells that here formation of gamete will occur, that female gamete in the female reproductive part, male gamete in the male reproductive part. Then the fertilization of this gamete will occur, which result in the formation of that structure which is called zygote. You all are familiar with the term zygote, which will in turn result in the formation of the new organism, that is the new algae plant. Next, if I'm just talking about here, vegetative reproduction is shown there. That means it can be through fragmentation. That means algae, main strand of algae will break down and each broken part will lead to the formation of new organism. Asexual reproduction, here it is explained. How does the asexual reproduction occurs in algae? It occurs through spore formation. I have discussed you. If these spores are motile, that means these are going to have flagella. You can see flagella, you all are familiar with the flagella, and then flagellated spores will be released, then that is called as a zoospores. Flagellated spores are found in Chlamydomonas. This point you all have to remember because the same thing is repeated in class 12th bio, and this question is asked in 1 marks in your board exams. So where do zoospores or motile spores are found? Formed, which are a product of asexual reproduction. So it is found in Chlamydomonas, which is a unicellular algae. You can see here zoospore has released there. It has just got matured. It has formed a new matured cell. Mature ho gaya, cell bana diya. Then again what has happened? Resting spores or zoospores are formed there, and when this structure has burst, when these motile zoospore has got release. So this is a kind of a asexual reproduction in Chlamydomonas. We can see here in this image. The next thing which we have to study is that the sexual reproduction which occurs in member of algae or Thallophyta. Again example is taken here, Chlamydomonas. What is this? What are the stages here? First of all, what is this say there? Mature cell will be there. Now what will happen? Mature cell gametes from two strains. Suppose here what happened, if we are talking about unicellular organism, then in unicellular we can't recognize it as a male or female, so we say it is of one strain like positive strain, other is of second strain that is negative strain. एक को male को suppose बोल दिया हमने negative strain, female को positive strain. So this statement is just said there. So it is here. Now what will happen? It will result in the formation of mature cell, or you can say gametes. These gametes will be of two different types. You can say one is a male gamete, other is a female gamete. One is strain and the other is of other strain. These gametes will fuse. Fusion of gamete is called syngamy. This term also you all have to learn, syngamy, because it is repeated in your class 12. What is syngamy? It is asked in 1 marks, and this is also asked where does syngamy occurs in bryophytes and algae, and where does syngamy occurs in amphibians and other organisms. So that thing should be in your brain. Fusion of gamete is called syngamy. Syngamy has occurred here. After the syngamy has occurred, now the zygote has formed. Zygote में fusion of cell, अब जो structure बना, that is the zygote. अब यहाँ पे 2n लिखा है. 2n means diploid. अब देखो, अब आपको इस अभी discuss करेंगे what is diploid haploid. First of all see, now the zygote has formed. It will undergo meiosis. यहाँ पे कौन सा division हो जाएगा? Meiosis, which will result in the formation of haploid cells, यानी haploid structure बन जाएंगे. And फिर वो किसमें मैच्योर हो जाएंगे? न्यू मैच्योर्ड सेल. अगेन द गैमेट फॉर्मेशन विल अकर. द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग हियर, द मेन बॉडी इज रिप्रेजेंटेड हियर हैप्लॉइड. एल्गी की, यहाँ क्लेमाइडोमोनास की मेन बॉडी को हमने कैसा बताया है? हैप्लॉइड. हैप्लॉइड मतलब सपोज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट क्रोमोसोम इन ह्यूमन बीइंग. इन ह्यूमन बीइंग टोटल हाउ मेनी क्रोमोसोम्स आर देयर? 46 यानी 23 पेयर. सपोज ये फर्स्ट क्रोमोसोम है तो दूसरा क्रोमोसोम भी इसके साथ क्या रहेगा? पेयर में. तो इन दोनों को हम क्या बोल देंगे? वन पेयर. वी विल नॉट कॉल इट एज अ टू, वन पेयर, क्योंकि दोनों में सेम जीन्स प्रेजेंट है, बट दीज आर प्रेजेंट इन पेयर फॉर्म. सो दिस आर कॉल्ड एज अ व्हाट यू कैन सी दैट पेयर्ड जीन्स. व्हेन द जीन्स आर प्रेजेंट इन पेयर ऑफ टू, देन दिस इज कॉल्ड डिप्लॉइड. डी मतलब टू, प्लॉइड मतलब प्लॉइडेड, टू के पेयर्स में. और वही अगर पेयर ना हो, केवल इंडिविजुअल एक क्रोमोसोम हो और वो सारे फंक्शन कंट्रोल कर रहा हो, then this is called haploid. In algae, main body is haploid or diploid. It is haploid, यानी chromosomes are not present in paired form. So now what has happened there? और जैसे ही फ्यूजन होगा, it is again haploid ही है. अभी haploid होने के बाद ये गैमेट फ्यूज किया, ये गैमेट फ्यूज किया, इसका haploid क्रोमोसोम, इसका haploid क्रोमोसोम जो था, दोनों क्या कर जाएगा? आपस में पेयर बना देगा. पेयर बनाया, now it has become from n to 2n. एन जो था हैप्लॉइड था यानी बिना पेयर के था, अब कैसा हो चुका है? ये पेयर के साथ हो चुका है. सो हियर इट इज 2n. बट मेन बॉडी कैसी रहती है इसकी? हैप्लॉइड ही रहती है, यानी उसमें क्रोमोसोम का जो नंबर रहता है वो, ये क्रोमोसोम्स जो होते हैं वो पेयर्ड नहीं होते, अनपेयर्ड होते हैं. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट विल हैपन? इट हैज टू अगेन बिकम हैप्लॉइड, क्योंकि यहाँ पे डिप्लॉइड हो गया है, इसको फिर से हैप्लॉइड बनना है. फॉर दैट पर्पज व्हाट विल हैपन? It will undergo meiosis. Two kinds of cell divisions are there, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis में क्रोमोसोम का नंबर नहीं चेंज होता है, while in meiosis what happens? क्रोमोसोम नंबर जो भी होगा उसका हाफ हो जाएगा. तो डिप्लॉइड है, इसका हाफ होके कितना बन जाएगा? हैप्लॉइड. सो अगेन द क्रोमोसोम नंबर विल बिकम हैप्लॉइड इन द मेन पैरेंट बॉडी, दैट इज मैच्योर सेल आफ्टर meiosis. This is discussed here in the lab. You can see sexual reproduction in Chlamydomonas or it's algae. Then here we have discussed vegetative, asexual and sexual mode of reproduction in the member of the Thallophyta or algae. In sexual reproduction, there are, you can see here, three conditions are there: isogamous, anisogamous and oogamous. Iso means you all have to remember that is सेम गैमेट, यानी कि गैमेट सेम रहेंगे. एनाइसो मतलब गैमेट सेम नहीं रहेंगे. देन oogamous मीन्स एक मोटाइल रहेगा while other will be non मोटाइल. So here three were there. I have discussed with you: isogamous, anisogamous and oogamous. What is the feature which is found in isogamous, anisogamous and oogamous? Then the feature here is that iso means यहाँ पे what feature is there? Gamete will be of same shape and size, like both will be motile of the same shape and size. And isogamous, here gamete can be motile or different form, but what will happen here? One will be large, other will be small. Now in oogamous what will happen? One will be large and non-motile, while other will be small and it would be motile. Let us explore other feature of these gametes which is found in sexual reproduction in algae. You can see here isogamous. Both the gametes are of same shape and size. Both are having flagella. That means both can move motile. So when the fusion of such kind of gamete occurs, that is called as a isogametes. See here, the fusion of gametes of the with same shape and size is occurring. So here isogamous kind of sexual reproduction occurring. Flagellated gametes are there. Gametes are having flagella. Example of isogamous are, you can see chlamydomonas, and non-flagellated is that